Hello everyone, Andy here. Let's have a look at the Dow Jones futures for Thursday, October 26th. For the record, today is Wednesday, October 25 and time is around 6:45 p.m. GMT. So, here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and actually I cannot really add much to what I mentioned in my previous videos. So since Monday, we are hanging here in this area. I believe we have kind of a difficult market in the short term. I would say. I think overall we can expect um, more downside, like in the higher time frame, I would say. But of course, for us traders, it makes a big difference if we first go up here or if we start to drop from here, because these are the swings that we want to take, of course. And yeah, like here, this structure is highly corrective. If we look here at the 15-minute, first of all, let's zoom out again. So the Nasdaq took out here the October 23 low. It looks like the other indices are not really following. I mean the DAX and the Dow Jones here. So first of all, the markets do not really look like in sync for the moment. It's like, I don't know, one is leading, the others are waiting, or the others are waiting, and yeah, another one is lagging. It's hard to see in my opinion what is currently going on. Here in the 15 minutes, like, yeah, I mean, this very difficult to interpret. Like, first of all, we reached our wave 4 area. So non-surprisingly, or it will not be a surprise if we make this fifth wave down right here. So the Nasdaq is doing this at the moment. The only strange thing is that it does not really happen simultaneously. So while the Nasdaq is dropping, like the Dow Jones and the DAX are just still hanging in this area, which is a bit strange. But like a reaction to the downside from here, from the wave 4 area, is of course something that is quite possible. This is why it was also on my charts. I just get a bit suspicious that it is not happening right now. This is the strange thing about it, that it is not happening as we speak, while the Nasdaq is taking out the low and working on the fifth wave down. And then, yeah, if I look at this structure here, you could make a case like for an impulse right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I mean, like it would be a leading diagonal. Then, and if this plays out, then we should get something like this here at minimum. That would be or move like wave A here, 5 waves up, then a wave B, then a wave C up, and then the wave B could already actually be this. If this low is holding, then this could be the wave B. So let's put the wave B area here on our chart, and then here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement would be our wave B. area, and then yeah, we could have a wave C from here, and then yeah, then we need further interpretation what exactly could follow here. But this is an account I could do on the 15 minutes, like as a first indication where we are heading. Like if we have an impulse to start with, it means that at least a second impulse should follow, because then we have an A, B, C. And I say at least because also a third impulse could follow if we have a 4 and a 5. So based on this, we could kind of expect this low to hold and see another upward move here as a wave C. But at the same time, I mean, this is really difficult price action. I believe you can come up with some other counts as well to label this. So I'm not really confident in what I'm saying here. I'm not really confident about what I'm saying, but I mean, I always force myself to try to come up with something, at least to learn. That does not mean that you have to trade it, but yeah, let's see what comes next. It can also be a lesson for then for further analysis in the future. Okay, this is what I see in the Dow Jones. This is my analysis. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.